Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can add friends in Genshin Impact. So in order to add friends, you just need to go to this top button over here that's in the left corner that looks like the mascot of this game, Paimon. Just tap on this one and now you can find many options over here, but the one we need, friends, is right here, right next to party setup. Just tap on friends. You can find your friends over here, and if you want to add new friends, then you can just go to the second option over here. You can search and add friends by UID. So your UID is right here on the bottom right corner. It's in very small letters, as you can see that. So in order to find new friends, you can just tap their UID and send them requests. So guys, that's how you add friends in Genshin Impact. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.